Hey everybody, it's Beth. I started by taking these two long hanging signs I got from Dollar Tree. I removed the hangers from them, placed them side by side. Then I took these stir sticks I got from Amazon, traced them on the edge where I would need to cut them, used some pruning shears to cut them, and sanded the edges. I then used some hot glue to attach them to either end, leaving about 1/4 inch exposed on the hangers. Next, I took these giant craft sticks that I got from Walmart and trimmed those up to be the width of the two hangers. I will then hot glue those to the back just for extra stability. I then take ivory colored chalk paint by Waverly, and I used a sponge to apply the paint, giving the entire thing 2 coats. Next, once the board is completely dry, I take this Distress Oxide in the color Walnut Stain, and I use this little applicator. I just press down on the Distress Oxide pad and then brush along all of the edges to get some nice distressing, as well as the rest of the board. I then take these 2 cotton picks that I got from Dollar Tree, and I place them next to each other and attach them together with some twine. I trim up the excess twine, and then I cut the ends of the cotton picks so they fit inside the hanger. I then take this burlap ribbon, hot glue a piece of that to the bottom part of the board. I then take a second piece and wrap that around, again, right below that first piece. In this one, I am tying it in a knot. After I make the first knot, I take the cotton pick and place that down, and then tie the ribbon around that one as well. And I do that a couple times, but hot gluing it in between. I then add a little bit of hot glue to the bottom of the stem on the pick just to keep those into place. I then take this ribbon, and I did not measure how long that I cut this piece. I'd have to say about 18 to 20 inches. I just loop it around on my desk, overlapping, and then pinch it in the center, making sure to leave 2 long tails. I tie it with some twine and leave the twine long. And then do the same thing with another piece. This one was a bit longer. I'd say closer to 22 inches. And then I place the smaller one onto the larger one I just made and wrap that twine around the second bow. Still leaving the twine long so I can attach it to the pick. I trim up the ribbon, and then I place that on top of the burlap ribbon. And I'm taking the twine I left long and wrapping that around the cotton pick and just pulling those tight and knotting it a couple times. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.